it shows me what it gets carved out and in what order. And then I'm able to zoom in and change the direction, see the depth, and make sure that everything is correctly being carved in the right way. See the depth on that. You can turn it around. So, a lot of cool things you can do. Reset the Z here. You can see it in the 3/4 view. And so it's pretty neat.